Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Jenny Claudia Yendra. I want to read to the Middle English. Uh, English Word and Literature. The London United Kingdom. The Geoffrey Chaucer was an influential English poet, author, and civil servant widely regarded as the father of English literature. Due to his role in popularizing the use of Middle English literature, his most famous work is the Canterbury Tales. Besides being a next, being a poet, Chaucer served as bureaucrat, courtier, diplomat, and member of parliament. He also wrote a treatise on the astrolabe for his son, showcasing his interest in psychology and astronomy. Chaucer was the first poet to be buried in Poets' Corner at Westminster Abbey. His other notable work include the books of the Duchess, The Host of Fame, The Legend of Good Woman, and Charles and Crusade. Geoffrey Chaucer was most likely born in London in the early 1340, with some sources, including his monument, suggesting as the year of the birth. Some at exact date and location are not definitively known. The Chaucer family is a remarkable example of upward social mobility. His great-grandfather was a tavern owner, his grandfather served a wine supplier, and his father, John Chaucer, became a prominent wine merchant with a royal commission. Several generations of the Saunders family were involved in the wine trade and other forms of commerce in Ipswich. The surname Chaucer is derived from the French term chaussier, which was initially thought to mean shockmaker, but is now understood to refer to a maker of house of lodgings. Next. Next. The career. Next. Chaucer's life as a public servant is well documented, especially when compared to his contemporaries, William Langland and the Gawain Pett, about whom little is known. Nearly 500 records exceed the detailed Chaucer's career. The earliest of these Chaucer life records dates back to 13 found in the household account of Elizabeth the Book, the Countess of Ulster. Chaucer became a patsy in the Countess' household, a position he secured through his father's connection. Serving as page was a common medieval apprenticeship that could lead to cling to or prestigious position. The Countess was married to Lionel of Antwerp, the first one, Duke of Clarence, and the second serving son of King Edward. This role brought Chaucer into the inner circle of the royal court and the connection that he maintains for the rest of his life. Next. Literary works. This Chaucer's first major work was the Book of the Duchess, an elegy for Blanche of Leicester, who passed away the 13 in 1368. Two other early works from Chaucer include Annelida and The Host of Fame. Chaucer compiles many of his significant work during a prolific period while he served as costume comptroller of London. Work Parliament of Paulus, The Legend of Good Woman, The Troilus, and Three Saints were all written during this time. It is believed that began writing the Canterbury Tales in the 1380. In addition to his original works, Chaucer translated Bolge's Consolation of Philosophy and the Romance of the Rose by Guillemette de Lorius, later extant by J. Dumont. The poet Estains Deschamps referred to himself a needle in Chaucer's garden or petri. Chaucer traces on the Astroble provide a detailed description of the form and use of the Astroble, and it is often cited as one of the earliest examples of technical writing in the English language. The work demonstrates Chaucer's scientific knowledge in addition to his literary skills. Another scientific work, the equator of the planets, is similar in nature to the treatise on the Astroble and was an attribute to Chaucer based on its language and handwriting. However, modern scholars have since disputed this attribution. Next. Udah ya? Oh, I think just for enough. Thank you. Sorry for other mistake. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.